The Somalian cuisine has various influences from countries like Italy, Turkey, India, Arabia, and Ethiopia. It is enriched with Somali's regional dishes, a fine example of local people's culinary expertise, and they include breakfast, lunch, dinner, plus snack. Breakfast qura is an important meal for Somalis who often start the day with some type of tea, shah, or coffee, qahwa. During this time, people take various confectionaries with tea. These include anjero, sawayad, malawah, and many more. Anjero. Anjero is a staple food among the Somalis, usually served as breakfast food. It is a fermented pan bread with a soft texture and can be eaten with ber, liver, broken into pieces with ghee, subag, mixed with tea and ma'sara, sesame oil, or otka, which consists of small dried pieces of camel meat to balance the taste. Sawayad, a flat bread preparation popularly recognized as kimis. It is prepared either in a round or square shapes. Malawah, a traditional pancake resembling Indian paratha in shape, is considered as a staple food in Somalia. Lunch, qada, is often an elaborated main dish of pasta, basto, or rice, baris. Spiced with the rice, it is often served with a banana. Baris kukaris, I would say, is a very similar to a rice dish called pilau. It is seasoned with the fragrant spices and cooked in meat broth, and generally speaking, tomatoes are added to the dish, making for a superbly tasty meal. Maraq digag. This is a chicken soup flavored with vegetables and spices. The tickling flavors of coriander and ginger acts as a taste enhancer of this appetizer. Try this with bread and get mesmerized like a foodie. Spaghetti can also be served with rice, forming a novelty dish referred to as federation. This dish is usually served with equal or whole portions of rice and spaghetti split on either sides of a large oval plate. Popular drinks at lunch are raqay, tamarid, ambe, mango, zaytun, guava, and lassi. Dinner asho in Somalia is served as late as 9 p.m. The dishes that Somalis take for dinner are ambola iyo maraq, rice and adzuki beans in a wonderful combination. Any sort of lentils or beans can be identical replacement for adzuki beans. Kalun iyo baris, a fish sauce with an amalgamation of rice and spices. Highly delicious. Apart from the fish, you will get a unique tasty of eggplant, carrot, and tomatoes. Sugo sukar, pasta cooked with beef and hawash, Somali spices. Enjoy the taste of pasta like never before with tomatoes, beef cubes, green and black pepper. Before sleeping, a glass of milk spiced with caramel is often consumed. Snacks, sambusa. Sambusa is a triangular fried pasty dish often filled with spicy minced meat or vegetables. It is very similar to the Indian samosa. Halwa or halwa is a festive sweet treat reserved for special occasions. With the main ingredients including sugar, butter, and oil, this may be a treat you'll only want to indulge into once in a while. Somali chai tea. There are different varieties of Somali tea. Tea has several other names: Asmali, Strungi, Alen, Wariko, Warenta, and Bigais. Nafaqo. These are stuffed fried potatoes. According to the local language, nafaqo implies nutrition. The stuffing is done with the eggs, but sometimes the locals replace the potato with beef for a fresh variation. Kaka. Fried bread chunks frequented during religious ceremonies like Eid and Ramadan. This deep fried item is something you will lose your heart over. You're sure to relish the crunchiness at the first bite.